WAVELABS, launched in the German city of Leipzig. It is one of the world's largest producers of LED-based light simulators for measuring solar cells. Its award-winning SINUS-360 ADVANCED enables the precise and ultra-fast characterization of PV cells in manufacturing, research, and testing. Its 27 individually controllable LED channels can reproduce the lighting conditions of almost anywhere on Earth in a spectrally stable manner. It can assess high-efficiency cells, including HJT, TOPCon, and tandem perovskites, and allows users to automate experiments, measurements, and data acquisition. Its modular design can also combine multiple analytical methods, such as electroluminescence and infrared inspection. Our jury praised the system's LED-powered sun engine, real-time light spectrum monitoring, and value to companies throughout the solar supply chain.